What's up, guys? We're here today. Gonna be installing the spring brake thingy on a Polaris Turbo and a Polaris RS1 over here. So I bought one of these originally, this one right here. As you can see, it's V1 and it bent really bad, so I contacted the owner and he sent me a V2, which he added this L bracket part out right there. So we're going to be reinstalling this and see how it goes. So you'll need a torque wrench to retorque. It's at 192 inch-pounds. Can't get that to focus. You'll need an extension to make it easier, ratchet, and a 13mm socket. So let's get to it. We got the part brake in here. I already took the nuts off because I had to take the old one out. You see two studs, one right there, and then there's one on the opposite side right there. So all we're gonna do is just take this, put it in, and then just kind of slide it up, and then you'll take your nuts and then just put them on.
So the idea is that this hooks your brake pedal and then these two holes line up and you can throw a lock through there, so that someone would have to take the two nuts off to actually get your brakes. So when you press on it, you just kick this over with your toe kind of, and then you can line those up, throw a lock through it, and it's kind of an anti-theft or a theft prevention more like. If
So now I'll take the park brake.
Alrighty guys, so just to show you here with this park brake that we got sent, if you try and put it on, try to get this angle in here. As you can see, it hits that little piece right here that comes down right there, see? So that's where that slot comes in handy. It doesn't even reach the other stud to put the nut on. The guy had great customer service, like talking to him about that other one. Oh, it's too bad. It's not the right one.
It's supposed to look like that. I ordered this one for Polaris Razor lockable parking brake. Fits all except 2020 XP Pro, which that's a 19 turbo. So it should, if he sent the right one, it should have fit.
But we don't have the slot.
This one's for a General or a Ranger, so he sent us the wrong one.
So now this will fit the General, but I didn't really want it in the General.
So now we have one for the General. Here, I'll just pull up the General one.
So yeah, this is kind of an issue. Like,
I'll have to message him again.
Oops. So first of all, we get sent this one from a local dealer in Canada who, the guy who makes these said he recalled all these, but this was an exception. So he couldn't get this one to fit. He drilled these out extra big and it still wouldn't work.
So I put 4 washers behind this side and 3 behind that one.
And it still bent and wouldn't work.
No, it worked.
Oh.
But then the guy's like, oh, I'll send you a new one. And right now that one, the new one's not working either.
The hole's not lining up. So
here's the General one here. See, Polaris General. And see, it doesn't have the little cutout in it. So he sent us the wrong one.
That's awkward.
Yeah, it won't even fit on my 900.
Oh man, so we have to adjust this one yet to get it to fit in the RS1.
Yeah, the problem is the lock hole is off. Like the lock won't go into the little hole that he put in it. So
wow.
Okay, so I guess
this is number 3 go around with this. So we're gonna get a hold of him, see if we can get another one, I guess. So the spring brake thingy is kind of like a, I don't even know what to say. I was gonna make the video kind of like a first impression review, but I don't even have a first impression to give. It's a cool idea. Yeah, I don't know what to say because that we get shipped the wrong one. I would say twice, I guess, and then the third one for the RS1 doesn't even fit. Really, the RS1. It'll be interesting to see what Buddy comes back with. I guess I'll have to do an update video on this and kind of see what happens with the whole situation. Alrighty guys, so we're just gonna actually try and put this one in the General, because luckily I have a General and we have a General spring brake dealie.
You know what? What a coincidence though, eh?
Yeah, what a nice, just great coincidence even.
Well, I mean, at least they didn't send us one for like a Can-Am or something like that.
We're getting these nuts off. This one has a 13 mil and a 10 mil. Here's the moment of truth. Does it fit?
Okay, well, it fits that far, but...
Oh wow. You'll be able to see here. Does it work? Oh, it's holding it. Are we lined up? Oh, it lines up. Wow.
That's exactly on. Here,
So we have one piece that lines up ideal.
Here, I'll go get a lock and test it.
So there's that little hole that I was talking about. This one actually lines up perfect. So being that we have the wrong part twice, ends up being the right part for the wrong machine. I don't know what to say.
Couldn't see the hole there. I just grabbed a lock. You take the lock. It's through nice. This is a shitty lock. It won't hold anything.
That's cool. There you go. See, this is the idea of what's supposed to happen on the two other.
It should have that much slop in it.
Wow. So we have one for the General.
Powder coat's already chipping after
Awesome.
just pushing on it.
Pushes on it once and the powder coat's chipping.